Simon says in the house, England. Remember, the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. So, we all know why we have this 5th of November, because Guy Fawkes and several others tried blowing up the Houses of Parliament and they got caught. They got grassed up. And then they got hung, drawn and quartered. Does anybody know what hung, drawn and quartered is? I don't even know if I can say it on here, but exactly what it says in the fucking name. What a way to go. But that's what you get for trying to blow up the House of Parliament. Protestants, Catholics, you know. There's a big... Do your history lessons, people. Come on. Anyway, happy fireworks night. Happy 5th of November. And if you don't know the story, go and check it out. It's definitely one of them, like a horror story. Imagine that. You're under the House of Parliament, you're about to blow it up, and then someone grasses you up, it all goes wrong. You're on the run, you get caught, and then a public hanging, drawn and quartered. And like I said, I will get into gory details, but I don't think I can on here. But it's not very nice. They back in the early 18th, 19th century, they had some really good torture techniques. And well, go and check it out for yourself. Wow. Anyway, like I said, you get put on, Guy Fawkes gets put on the Bonfire every year. Yeah. So go check out your history. Happy 5th of November. Yeah, you can hear it in... No, it's not gunshots. It's all fireworks. I live in England, Bath. You don't hear gunshots. Yeah. Right, bless everyone. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay out.